All right, welcome back. Now, in this section, we want to quickly look at the trading points or the trading key levels we'll be considering this week, and we are going to be looking at both the monthly and the weekly time frames. Now, this is the monthly time frame, and from the pivot points analysis from nforex.com pivot calculator for the month of July, what we've generated here is that we've got these levels, and the bullish level, the top levels have been broken already, and price has gone far beyond this Camarilla level, up levels. And for the floor pivots, it hasn't reached 5775, but it has already touched 57 levels and the price was rejected, and price is currently trading around the 55 region. Okay, now from this, we'll be expecting price to come back to retest this level that has turned support so far. A break of this Camarilla level may now take price further down to here around 5491, which is then okay, first to 5491, yes, to around this level. So by the time price gets to, there is another level here at with this pivot point, that's 5518. Okay, then from 5518, a break of this level may take price to 5491. So we'll be expecting price this week, as it's wrapping up the month of August, to retest 5549. A break of 5549 will take it to 5518. A break of 55418 is going to take price to 5491. So that's what we're expecting this coming week. Now, as per the monthly pivot points analysis. Now, for the weekly pivot points analysis, now we've got the high, low, close, and open for the past week, and here are the levels we generated. Now, the pivot point for this week is at 1.5607, and if you check it, that's for the floor pivot point. Now the Woody's central pivot point is at 5596, and the Camarilla sell level is at 5615. So taking 5615, 5596, and 5607, now we can put them together and agree on a meeting point to be around 5615, or between 5607 and 5615. So I'm taking these two. So within this range, we will be targeting a sell. So this will be our first sell level for the week, for this very last week. So I can confidently plot it here. Now let me switch this to 4 hours. Now 5616, fix the price 5616. This is going to be my sell target for the week. That's the sell level. I will choose red here. Okay, so this is going to be my sell level for the week, and let me just put a label there, labeling it sell, weekly sell. Okay, all right, so that's going to be my sell level for the week. I'm at, okay, it's okay. All right, that's a weekly sell. Maybe I have to put an arrow too to really show that. Okay, that's our sell level for the week. Okay, now I go over and pick. Here we have 5515. Remember what I told you on this: 5518, 5515. So there's a congruence there. So we are also going to be looking at a bounce of 5515 around here. So I am going to be fixing there to become my weekly buy level, 5515. Okay, that will be my weekly buy level. I'm going to change the color here to blue, and weekly buy. Remember, this week it may not really be um, entirely bearish because the bulls would try to fight back. The bulls will try to fight back. So we are going to just leave it at that. Weekly buy. So those are our two levels for entry this very week. We won't try to go beyond that level 5515. Okay, this is at 5616. All right. Okay. All right. So there's our weekly buy. That's our weekly sell. Let me put the arrow for the buyers. Okay. All right. So our weekly buy level, our weekly sell level, and those are the two levels we'll be watching this very week. And when perhaps I may have to, let me just put the price. Let me enter the price so that it can be seen. 1.5515. Okay, and this 1.5616. So those are our two major entry levels for this week. So we expect price to just operate within this range. Then in the month of September, it might then break down to continue with on the bearish um, uh, trend that has been seen cited already last week. Okay, so that is about what we'll be expecting in this coming week. So we will be checking our daily Bible points, our analysis. We'll be checking our daily Bible analysis each day of the week, and then checking the chart to know when it's time to get in. We might actually, as soon as the trading week resumes, we may just open up buy limit and sell limit orders at these levels, and then calculate the risks involved and set our TP and our SL and wait for the market to do what it intends doing. And these will be just the two trades we'll be targeting this very week. Now, another reason why this is so is if you look at this week, it's the charts tend to even look neutral kind of, but then if you look at the daily chart there, you see that this is quite neutral. So Monday might be a bit of neutral and hanging around there until perhaps it tests one of the sides and then a breakout occurs. So that's how we'll be looking at it and trading this week. I expect that you take this information and make good use of it, and I expect you to trade to win. Have a wonderful and profitable trading week. God bless you.